Hello guys, welcome to my next YouTube tutorial of database management system. So in our previous video we discussed about views. So in this video I'm going to tell you about commit and rollback command. So guys, basically commit and rollback command are like transactions in your SQL. So SQL alter transaction command statements such as commit and rollback. So let me tell you what commit is. So the command commit is used to end a transaction, and changes due to execution of a transaction can be made permanent to the database. This command also erases all the saved points in transaction, this releasing the transaction logs. So let me tell you what rollback is. So this command is used to undo the work done by the current transaction. Execution uses rollback command must be issued before commit command, otherwise changes made by the commit are erasable. So let's start with opening our MySQL 5.5 command line client. So here I'll give my root password. So after giving my root password, I'll enter the database. So here I'm going to create a new table in the same company database I'll create. So first I'll use that company database. So that is company 1. So you can see here the database has changed. So leaving all those 6 tables behind, I'm creating one new table for this commit and rollback. So here I'll give create table, and table name here I'm giving is customer. So you can see here within this double quotes I'm going to write my attributes. So the attributes for this are ID, that is of data type int. So here I'm giving it as 10. So and our next attribute will be name. So name, which will be of varchar, I'm giving here. So this will be 30. So only 2 attributes are there. So you can see here query okay, 0 rows has been affected. If you want to describe this table, you can describe it using DESC. So describe customer. So you can see here there are only 2 attributes in this table. So let's start with the insertion of values. So before that, I'll start with the transaction. So start transaction. So this is the transaction I have started here. You can see query okay, 0 rows has been affected. So we are starting the transaction here, means we are doing some kind of things here. So everything we are doing from now is called as transactions. So first we'll insert it. So insert into customer values. So you can see here I'll give the ID as 1, and I'll give the name as, you can give Sanjay. So you can see here after pressing enter, query okay, 1 row has been affected. And using this upper arrow key, I'll copy the same command here, and I'm going to write 2 here, and I'll change the name of the customer. So how we can change the name of the customer is, so here I'm giving my customer name as Vijay. That is our second customer. So again query okay, 1 row has been affected. Now again I'll change the name of our next customer, that is I'll give as Raj, and here I'll change the ID, and let's give 4 values. So last value I'll give here. So I'll change the name to Jay, and I'll give the ID as 4. So there are 4 values which I have inserted. So if you want to see, you can give select star from customer. So you can see here the values which I have inserted now. So now I'm going to give commit command. This will save the data into the database. So here commit. Now I'm giving set auto commit is equal to 0. So here I'm setting my auto commit is equal to 0. So you can see after pressing enter, it will show query okay, 0 rows has been affected. Now so now I'll delete one value from this particular table. You can see here. So I'll write here delete from your customer table, that is customer, delete from customer, where your name is equal to Raj. So you can see here I have given the name as Raj. So the query, okay, one row has been affected. So if I use here select staff from customer, you can see here there are only 3 values. So the third value that was with the ID 3 and the name Raj is erased. So now I'm going to give the rollback command, so it will undo the current work done by the any kind of transaction. So the current work done is deletion, so it will roll back. So I'll give here rollback. So after giving rollback, you can see here it is query, okay, or 0 rows has been affected. So if I give select staff from customer, it will undo that particular process which was conducted just before this rollback command. So I deleted the Raj that is recovered from the deletion process. So this is how your commit and rollback command works. So this was all about your commit and rollback command in your database management system. So thank you guys for watching all the tutorials of database management system. So I hope you must have learned many things from these tutorials. So this is the end of your tutorials of database management system. So see you guys, and thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further updates.